So to start the third period, we've got Snow King 3, Portland 1. Portland's getting outshot 3-1. We'll try and turn that around. Sammy Woolman taking the face-off for Portland. Griff and Dylan out there with him. Wins it back to Greg. Sends it up to Dylan. Ooh, Dylan takes one into the boards. Puck gets back to Griff. Shot blocked by Seattle. Justin's there to hold the line, but it still pops out. Sends it back, intercepted by Seattle, who's going to dump it into our zone. Greg around behind the back of the net. Horrible ice behind that net. Just nothing moving there. Sammy battling center ice, trying to clear the zone. Seattle keeps it in this line. Dylan gets a piece of it. And Justin there to pass it up. Then Portland's going to change on icing. We're going to head back to the Portland zone. Now we'll have Walker, Nolan, and Randy on the ice for Portland. Henry and Dakota back on D. Seattle wins that face-off, but Walker comes up to grab it, sends it down to Seattle's end. Portland tries to hold the line, but it sneaks out. Seattle in possession. Henry sends it across, tips it over to the boards, and it goes behind Portland's net. Round into the corner. Randy and Dakota there, battling along the boards. Trying to dig it out. And Seattle comes up with it. Dakota's pinning him against the boards. Still trying to dig. And looks like Nolan's going to come out with it this time. Sends it up to Walker. Chips it out of the zone. Seattle gains control in the neutral, but Portland takes it in their zone. And we're going to have icing again. Back down to Portland's end. Portland with the line change. We've got Jack, John, and Nicholas out for Portland. Our D pair is going to be Justin and Caleb. Foot battle there for the face-off. Seattle gains control, sends a shot straight to Cameron. John with the face-off, another battle. These face-offs are turning into more like a rugby scrum. All right, Nicholas against the board, tries to tip it out. Seattle gains control. Holding it along the board. Seattle tries to center it, but it comes up to Nicholas. He's going to take that into the neutral zone, pass it over to Jack. He dumps it in behind Seattle's net. Back there fighting for control. We've got Nicholas and Jack. Nicholas comes up with it, can't hold on to it. John tries to send it to the net. It doesn't have much power behind it. Comes out of the zone. Caleb over to Justin. Circling while Portland gets their line change in. Dylan takes the pass over to Sammy, who can't control it. And he tries to send it back around, but the puck dies in the corner. Caleb at the line gets beat. And Greg is going to be back. Up and down, up and down, up and down all around, but managed to stay out of the net. Nice save by Cam. Another shot. Cam sends it wide. Seattle just gets it in over his glove. Beautiful shot. No time to recover. So that'll be 4-1 Seattle with 16:37 left to play in the third. So Nolan taking the face-off. Randy and Walker out there with him. Henry Greg back on D. Seattle wins the face-off. They drive it into our zone, shoots on Cam, who takes it in his glove. And we're going to drop the puck in our zone. Nolan taking the face off. And ref's going to send Nolan out. Randy's going to come in. Randy wins the face-off, but Seattle takes control. Henry grabs it in front of the net, over to Randy, back over to Walker, who's going to take it in, try for the shot, gets blocked. Ooh, nice job by Henry getting a piece of it. Can't keep control, it's back down by his feet. Henry puts it back in, Portland resets. Seattle gains control and sends it down. No ice. There it is, an icing. Okay. Late whistle on the icing. And we'll take it down into Seattle zone. Nolan taking the face off again for Portland. Seattle wins it. Greg picks it up at the blue line, sends it around back. Walker there in the corner to meet it. Over to Nolan. Nolan centers it. Tries to get it up to Randy, but the goalie grabs it. We'll have another drop in Seattle zone. Nolan taking the drop. Seattle wins. Gains control, sends it around back. Greg there to meet the puck. Randy picks it up, sends it back down. Seattle in possession, behind their net. Grab it through the neutral zone. Randy knocks it off the stick. Oh, Seattle got lucky there with that onside. A little bit of a mess in front of the net, but it goes behind and around to the corner. Henry there just giving Seattle all sorts of trouble. Seattle takes the shot off Cameron's pad. The rebound comes out to Nolan, who's going to take it down, try and go between his feet, and a shot. Stopped by Seattle's goalie. Seattle gains control. Missed pass. Ooh, he's going to send Caleb hurtling into the Seattle player. Off Caleb's skate. So we've got Dakota battling in the corner. Caleb there helping him. They're digging. Zach there to try and take control of it. And he does. He gets it out of the zone. Seattle sends it right back. So Caleb's there to pick it up. Back at the red line, trying to send it over to Jack. Yeah. Jack back to Jack, who sends it to Jack. And so a little bit like Dr. Seuss here. Seattle gains control. Dakota there to break it up. Jack takes it out of the zone, passes over to Zach. He's going to try and get it back to Jack. Ole gobbles it up as Jack does a nice little Superman for us there. Sammy in to take the face off for Portland, and there's a quick whistle. Looks like Lyman didn't like Dylan getting in too close. Seattle takes control off the face off, in behind the net to harass him. Griff's going to hold the line. Oh, Justin pops it up, but Greg's there. Sends it back. Oh, a little bit of a trip there, but Greg's there to pick it up, send it to Griff. Griff and Dylan going into the zone. Griff sends it back to Dylan on the bounces off the board. Sammy, beautiful centering pass. Portland can't quite gain control, and there's a penalty. Slash on Seattle. So Portland's going to have another power play opportunity here. Let's see if they can capitalize on this. So in on the power play for Portland, we've got Sammy, Nolan, Zach, Greg, and Caleb. Sammy wins back. Greg picks it up at the blue line. Tries to get it back up to Sammy. Sammy sends it along the ice over to Caleb. Seattle clears the zone. Cameron out to play it. Up to Greg. Sammy takes it off of Greg. Pass. And Portland's going to try and set something up. Zach keeping control. Caleb on the blue line. We tried for the slap. Got nothing. So Seattle clears the zone. Back to Greg. Pass intercepted, but Greg gets it back. Got Zach and Sammy down in Portland. Zach reaching. It's been a while. Maybe he forgot how to use his skates. Oh, Zach wraps, centers it. Greg's there, but sends it into the chest of Seattle's goalie. 59 seconds left on the penalty for Seattle. 11:57 to play in the third. Sammy on the face-off for Portland. Nolan and Zach in there with him. Henry and Caleb back on D. Caleb holds the line over to Henry. Henry sends it into Sammy. Can't control the pass. And Seattle gains control, dumps it in. Cameron back to play the puck. Henry's going to set up behind the net, up to Sam. Got Zach waiting at the blue line. Nolan waiting at the blue line for Portland. Sammy sends it around to Henry and then follows. Henry can't quite hold the line, goes in the neutral zone. We've got Caleb with the puck over to Nolan. Nolan's trying to send it up to Zach. 13 seconds left on the penalty. Seattle sends it all the way deep. Cameron to play. Up to Henry. Seattle putting the pressure on, keeps it in the zone as the penalty is expiring. Seattle's back to full strength. Griffin takes it in. Nolan center. Takes it around back behind the net. Griffin in control. Loses the puck as he gets just crunched by 3 Seattle guys. Seattle's going to take it zip through the neutral zone, but Caleb's having none of that. 16. And
That's a late call, though.
slash on Caleb? On Caleb? So, from power play to PK. Just like that. 10:24 left to play in the third. Seattle's up 4-1. Caleb in the box for 2 minutes. Nolan's going to take the face off on Portland's PK. Seattle wins that back to the point. Looking to set something up. They send it in through traffic. It's deflected. Seattle cycling, looking to make something happen. Send it across. Nice passing on Seattle's part. Portland gains control, gets it out of the zone. Walker's going to put some pressure on Seattle here as we pull off this penalty. Portland's now got Greg, Justin, John, and Walker on the ice to kill this off. Minute 15 left on the penalty for Portland. Caleb Dom in the box. Seattle takes a shot deflected by Cam off to the corner. Seattle regains control. Back up to that point. They like shooting from that blue line. Cameron deflects it again. And Portland manages to clear the zone, albeit slowly. John back to put some pressure on Seattle. 45 seconds left on the penalty for Portland. Portland doing a pretty good job killing this off. Be nice to get it out of the zone. Seattle again, and tries to tip it in, goes high. They just love sending it in from way back. And they're going to try, not again. They saw the wall of red and decided to go it. Shot wide. Dakota back there to clear the zone. 10 seconds, 9 seconds left on the penalty. That'll kill it off for Portland. We'll be back to full strength here. And Caleb coming out of the box as Seattle brings it down right into him. Dakota sends it around, and Seattle picks it up because nobody's in Portland is there. Shot goes wide. Right onto Cam. Cam stops it, seals it up. The draw from Portland zone. So we've got 8:03 left to play in the third. Sammy takes the face-off for Portland. Henry back behind the net battling for it. Sam's going to go ahead and help out. Pinned against the board. Little dig, and Seattle's going to come up with it. Try the back pass, but there's nobody there to receive it. Oh, really? Yeah, really? He hit it when he rolled. I don't understand. Apparently everything I've learned about hockey over the years is not correct. Alright, so Portland on the PK again. We've got Henry in the box. Seattle controlling, trying to look for something to set up. They're going to send it point again, shot wide. And Griff's going to get it out for Portland zone, send it down. Give Portland a little bit of breathing room there. Minute 30 left on the penalty for Portland. We've got Henry in the box. Sammy there to break up. Seattle cycling through, looking for that point shot again, high and into the net. So we're going to drop the puck. Yeah, I mean, that's interesting. I guess it's good practice. Sammy takes the face off for Portland. Keeps it out of the zone, putting some pressure on Seattle. Seattle's going to take their time, set some things up. Minute 3 left in the penalty. Sam there to meet him in the neutral zone. Loses the puck. Seattle takes control and into Portland zone, sends it around the boards behind the net. Met by Justin in the corner. And we're going to cycle it and practice this launch shot again. A little bouncer in front. There's going to be a pileup. The camera's going to seal it against his pad. 29 seconds left in the penalty. Nolan takes the face off for Portland. Seattle takes control behind the net. Portland trying to kill this off. Seattle cycling, looking for opportunity, sends it in. Stopped by Cam. Rebound way out. Coda's going to keep him tied up behind the net. He's got 3 of them back there. Greg meets Seattle behind the net. Clears it out in front of the net. Finally, Walker's going to take control. Portland's back full strength. Centers it, but Zach is on his knees, and there's going to be a trip. Yeah, Heist. So Seattle's going in the box again. Portland's back on the power play. So we're just trading timeouts here. 5:17 left to play. Seattle on the PK. Portland on the power play. We've got Walker, Nolan, Zach out there. Zach sends it in, gloved by Seattle's goalie. Back on D, we've got Dakota and Greg. Nolan going to take the face off again. And trying to get it out with his skates. Zach gets in there, sends it back to Dakota, over to Nolan in the corner. Nolan tries to center it, stopped by Seattle. Nolan bringing it around behind the net. Sends it to Dakota. And Nolan sends it in, shot wide. Zach's going to pick it up in the corner. Bring it out, send it back to Dakota, who's going to send it in. Oh, nice little tip by Nolan, but it is stopped by Seattle's defense. Nolan and Zach digging. Walker going to get into the action. Seattle comes up with it out of a sea of red behind the net. Sends it deep. Cameron stops. Throws it up to Dakota. 58 seconds left on the penalty for Seattle. Portland on the power play. Trying to capitalize. Seattle putting pressure on Portland down in their own end. Nice little shot. Cameron's going to cover it up. 46 seconds left on Seattle's penalty. 4:02 left to play in the third. See if Portland can clear it out of their own zone, get it down in the right area here. John with the face-off. Seattle takes control. Nicholas picks it up. Nicholas gets away with it off the boards. It's going to take it into the zone. And shot deflected wide by the goalie. Little cycling Portland's part. Mess in front of the net, but Seattle's there to pick it off and send it deep. 12 seconds left in Seattle's penalty. Portland going to try and bring it in one more time. Justin to John. Back to Justin, who's going to go ahead and go offsides. So, penalty's over. We're back to full strength. Greg Sabb's going to take the face off for Portland. Nolan and Griffin out there with him. And back on D, we have Caleb and Justin. A little bit of a melee. Griff comes up with it, sends it into the corner. Seattle chases, and Griff comes back to pick it up again. Sammy there with him. Seattle takes control, sends it out of the zone. Seattle controlling, bringing it down. Going to wrap around behind the net, tries to send it back, but there's nobody there for him. Centers it, can't get the shot off. Sam there to grab it. Sammy brings it down, going full force. Shoots, goes way behind the net. grip there, but Sammy, Dylan in the corner around the grip is going to take control of it. Send it back to Dylan under the referee's skates. Dylan and Sam in the corner. Caleb holds the line, sends it in. But Seattle comes up with it. And sends it way deep. No icing. Caleb's going to grab it. Send it up to Griff, who chips it out of play. .202 left to play in the third. Seattle 4, Portland 1. Come back to our end. Yay, thank you. Thank you, linesman.
Reflection was out here.
Look at that. Nolan takes the face off. Seattle gains control. Sends it up to their guy waiting, but Henry's there to meet him. Back to Walker. He's going to send it around the board to Randy. Randy digging along the board. Greg there with him. Greg's going to pick it up in the corner. Center it up to Nolan. Seattle there to grab it from him. And what's his... So a rough on Nolan? What? What happened? Oh, roughing on both of them? Okay. So, we'll play 5-on-5. With Nolan in the box for Portland, Studioso in the box for Seattle. Zach taking the face off for Portland. Sorry. Seattle gains control. Nice passing back and forth through the neutral zone. Henry there to meet him. Caleb picks it up the line. Excuse me, Walker picks it up at the line. Randy grabs it, takes it into the zone. Zach there, going to chase into the corner. Seattle passes up. Henry there to stop him. Walker battling along the boards, gets it into the defensive zone. Can't keep control, Seattle takes it out. And they're going to have a bit of a breakaway. Greg motioning. Cameron stops it straight in his chest. .50 seconds left to play in the third. Seattle 4, Portland 1. Seattle still in control here. Down behind the net. Caleb's there to stop him. John picks it up. To Nicholas, who sends it over to Dakota. Can't control it. Gonna take it in. Okay. To Zach, who shoots. Oh! Can't score. Goalie stops. And it's a foot race. Seattle's gonna get there. Center it up. Cameron's going to cover it up, stop it. 9 seconds left in the third. And the Dons are over here concerned about dinner. 8 seconds left. Dinner's coming soon. Caleb's got it behind the net as time expires. So that'll do it for this evening. Final score, Portland 1, Seattle Snow Kings 4. And good night, ladies and gentlemen. You're very welcome, Tom. We missed you. Good. You'll have to give me some rousing renditions when we see you next time.
Hey, shake the hand. Shake the ref's hand. What's that, Nolan, Justin?